Hello everybody, welcome back to Ice One Gaming. This is another Kerbal Space Program video. Before I get into anything else, so sorry that I haven't been able to get a video out. In case you haven't been reading my Facebook or Twitter posts, which, well, I don't blame you because hardly anyone knows about them. I've been having a lot of problems with my audio and Fraps being a pain in the backside, but I believe I fixed it. But yeah, hopefully all is good. Let's get into it. Now, the last Kerbal Space Program video I did was let's build a fighter jet. And that didn't go too well because that was the first time I noticed that my audio was being stupid. C7. I like the C7 flag. I don't know why, it's just my thing. We're gonna try that again. Sorry about that. Alright, I have a couple of mods installed. First of all, Kerbal side. It makes my computer laggy as hell, but it's good with, well, I like the scenery though. I might use it with another series I'm planning on getting out. Another one, you always see it here, laser system. Not been using that as much as some of the others though. I do the last mod I have, BD armory. Okay, let's get into it. No dilly-dallying, dilly-dallification. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna build the okay. I am going to do this. I'm going to do a very nice wing style that I use quite a lot. I don't know why I use it, I just think it looks pretty sexy. Let's see what I hold on. Here we go. And go. So alright, fair enough. Or actually no, better idea. Okay. I'm very nitpicky about wing designs. They have to be absolutely awesome in order for me to use them. Otherwise, I just lose my mind. Alright, that goes there. I'm gonna make something that kind of looks like an F14. We'll also put all the Scott Manley videos, and there's this series he's been doing called Casino Noughts. I really like that game. I'd like to get it. But anyway, it's got this jet or interceptor that I would really. I can't remember what it's called. It's so bad for not knowing it. But it's a really nice looking craft, and here it is like a 14. As do I. But yeah. Anyways. Deactivate all those, and might, I could fix that, although, this is going off, and then I'll get, sorry if I go silent during the video, I'm focusing. Leave you out of there for a minute. Six. go there. You don't do anything anyways, so it's fine. Neat little trick. Push you in there. That looks pretty good. Now, let's do that. That makes a really nice looking set of wings there. Well, I don't like how this bit has got a bit of a seam in it. That looks a little bit weird, but nonetheless, pretty good. I'll add some weapons to it later, maybe, if I have time. Just get to the end of it. Actually, I'm gonna flip these around so I have a better angle. And normally I'd just clip this inside, but for now I can't really afford that. I want to get this done quickly. Well, that's the quickly I can. Bingo. Yeah, that's got a nice angle. It's not going to be too on such an angle that the wheels, not the wheel, that the engine is just going to get thrown into the ground. Nick, no, you can stay like that. You don't do anything. I think that's just going to be a pain. So sorry if you hear any loud filter in the background. It's just me not having enough funds buying new microphones and stuff. Yep, you're gonna yell at me for this, aren't you? Because I have to. This is just the way it has to be. Maybe one more just in case. I know you're gonna get really angry if you do this, but yeah, well, I want it to fly, don't I? Okay, like that. Okay, now for some weapons. First, I'm going to get some countermeasures. For those of you who don't know what countermeasures are, they are little flares that are sent out by a fighter aircraft to confuse missiles that are coming after it, usually heat sinking, because they're flares and they're hot. You get the idea. They look pretty cool, especially when you buy a whole bunch of them at once. Second of all, broken turret. Put them like that. Now this seems not going to work without any ammo, so hello Mr. Inside, so I'd like to put some ammunition boxes inside. Yeah, that should be good. Should be good. Actually, because I don't want my center of mass to change all that much, I'll put one there. So I should have enough. I'll have 600 times 2, so that's 2,400 bullets. Not bad. Okay, now for missiles. We'll have another bomb over here, so it'll kind of look like I noticed like a lot of FA-18s, Hornets, Super Hornets, all that tend to have a bomb on the underside, taking up most of the space there. I don't know why, but it's not a bad look, to be honest. Makes people scared. Should I get one of these, or should I get this here? Oh, definitely need that. I tend to make action groups as well, so some of this episode might actually contain said action grouping. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Now for all these hellfires? Yeah, hellfires. I'll put one here-ish. Something like that. That doesn't look too bad. Although, actually, look at this. I don't know. I'll put this back. Oh, hold on. The cluster bomb's bigger, so if I put that on the other side. I don't know, that looks like it's kind of going to get in the way. I'll do this. Yeah, this looks a bit better. It doesn't look better. I'd like a nice sort of, a nice big bomb, but otherwise, like, that's going to get in the way of the undercarriage. Some Maverick missiles. That should be good. Oh, symmetry. Symmetry, symmetry, symmetry. Now I'm gonna do a little something here. Okay, that's not much change, that's good. Now I'll Control Z everything. In case you don't know, Control Z can also be used in this to undo whatever you just did, which is quite useful. Okay, now this is looking pretty good. I like this. I've got turrets, I've got ammo, I've got a couple of missiles, I've got a bomb. Yes, let's put this on it. Nah, this ain't gonna work. Got the weapons manager, now it's time to action group this puppy. I'm not going to bother with an action group for the engine. I'll set, I've also, because what I've done is I've key bound to the numpad for my thing, action group, so it's a bit easier to remember things, and also it's a, like, aesthetics, I don't know, but like, just in general, I think it's a pretty good idea. There's a post-it note here somewhere. I'll use this because I used this for the craft I was making yesterday. So, 1 can be fire, 4 can be previous weapon, 7 can be next weapon, 2 can be actually, you know what, stop it, I'm gonna set it to what I have on my post-it note here. Try to measure, drop them. And then 8 is to arm/disarm. So now I've got 147, the weapon manager. And I've got, oh, okay, that should be good. And rename this the C7. Well, actually, no, I'll just name it Fighter Jet because it's part of the build. Now I won't be bothered with making a thing, what do you call it, description. Let's just launch. We'll test it out, see how good it is, then we'll take it for a little fly around another airport or runway and surrounds. I have a couple of good places in mind for testing. Oh, I just realized something. Stupid me. Forgot to add one of the most important parts for making a jet fly. Those who can guess now, and time's up. Air intake. Damn it! So stupid. Well, it's a bit ugly. Ooh, I have an idea. Oh, crap, no, don't do that. Move you for a sec. I'll put these here. I don't know how useful this is going to be in general because, well, the turret is a little bit off center and aiming might be a problem, but nonetheless I think that's pretty good. I've got my intake, so actually, ooh, even better idea. Thank you. Flip you around. Move that. So it's a bit higher-ish, I guess, or lower. So it kind of sticks out. Yeah, much better. Kinda looks like the, well, the way the intakes are placed, it kinda looks like an F-15 Eagle. They're pretty good. Except for the fact that the wing shape is completely and utterly different. Yeah, save that. Launch. Yeah, that was a very stupid mistake on my part. Sorry about that. Alright. Also, another thing, I always fly with SAS and I just cannot and will not fly without SAS because, like, I'm just a crappy pilot. Well, I'm not a crappy pilot, I'm just a crappy pilot without SAS. Or throttle down a bit, or third throttle, so I'm having a lot of trouble with, like, jets recently and the wheel placement, and deciding to where I need to turn for no apparent reason. So far, so good. Wow. Takeoff nominal. That sounds a little bit slowly. Let's actually go on this one. Oops. sec. Hellfire missile. Well, no, that's the weapon size thing. Stupid. First. Oh, whoops. Bomb. Why can't I shoot it? No. What's going on? What? Or so I think I might know how to fix it. Yeah, more cheats. What's okay? It's not working. I'm getting pain by the fuel. Nothing. Anyways, this thing flies really well. I'll have to save the fixing of this craft for a later date. I'll launch this from a different place. And let's see what wonderful places I can launch from. On an aircraft carrier, I'm just going to get the accident. I'm probably not going to be able to land on it anyway. Switch from this place will see. Because I don't want to immediately do the best places. Oh, I don't know. There are some nice boats that built in some nice places that you can launch boats and rovers and stuff that I'd like to try out if and when I actually build a boat or a rover. It's a bit dark. Let's turn the light on. Throttle up. Ooh, shaking. Messed up my action moves somehow. Oh, this is interesting. Wow, that's good. I like that. That's a thing I forgot. I thought that was actually a feature. Got the explosion. Oh, there it is. Wow, that's great. Yeah, I want certainly going to just having so much fun. But yeah, I think this was a pretty good build. I think I might have outdone myself altogether. Doing things much better than this. I still have to figure out why these aren't working. Going for a buzz of the tower. Full barrel roll. That was good. Alright. Oh, that's one thing. Countermeasures. That's what they look like. Oh, the countermeasures. I think you actually have infinite countermeasures. Infinite things. I don't know though. Look at that. Oh, beautiful smoke trail as well. Alright, well, I think that's the video. If you would like to please do the video, favourite, subscribe, share, and comments. Yeah, I'm S1. Stay frosty. Bye. Wait, hold on, before I end, I'm gonna crash it. Come on. I can't end it actually. I'm gonna land on the wrong way. I'm gonna land on the wrong way. Then, okay, let me do it. Oh crap! Do it! Oh! Oh! Can I do it? Okay, well, just a few million things are exploding behind me. Can I survive? Alright. Well, stay frosty. See you guys. Bye!